Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to turn on captions for videos on Facebook using your PC. Captions are a great way to enhance your viewing experience, whether you're watching in a quiet environment or prefer reading along with the audio. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Facebook's website at facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on Facebook, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This will take you to Facebook's main settings page. Next, look at the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down and click on Media under the Preferences section. This is where you can customize how videos play on Facebook. In the Media settings, find the option labeled Always Show Captions. Toggle this option to enable it. Once it's turned on, captions will automatically display for videos that support them. And that's it. You've successfully enabled captions for videos on Facebook. Now, whenever you watch a video with available captions, they'll appear automatically, making your experience more accessible and enjoyable. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from captions on Facebook. Thanks for watching.